Hello, I am JC Paz, and in this video, we are going to review how to install VirtualBox 7.0 and Oracle Linux 9.3 when a computer is available to you. Having a virtual machine such as Oracle Linux is important because you can install a MySQL server inside an environment without damaging your real operating system or the tools or servers that you do not want to damage when you experiment or are learning with a new activity. In a future video, I am going to install my SQL Server in this operating system so you can practice with Protocol X. So welcome, give a like and subscribe. Let us begin. VirtualBox install virtualization product for business as well as for home use. It has many powerful features. It is a high-performance tool, and it is freely available as open source under GNU and GPL license. It runs on different operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Solaris. It supports clients such as Windows, DOS, Linux, Solaris, OpenSolaris, and OS/2. VirtualBox 7.0 installation. Next, we will see how to install this tool to have a virtual operating system on our computer. We will start by downloading VirtualBox version 7.0.16. There are different installation versions depending on the operating system. This time we will download the Windows version. To do it, we will click on the file, and a window with installation options appear. And you can change them, but today we will accept the default installation. So let us continue and run the program. Oracle Linux 9.3. This operating system was designed for cloud infrastructure. It has high performance, scalability, reliability, and security for various sophisticated businesses. Tasks like SAS and PAS. We can say the same for other types of simpler administration tasks. Unlike other Linux distributions, Oracle Linux is free, easy to install and configure. Once installed, it is easy to update and upgrade. Oracle Linux within VirtualBox. We need to download the file that contains the operating system installation. We are going to download it from the official Oracle. We notice that there are different files with the ISO format, and the one we will download is a full version. Click in this first option, which is what we will do next. After a few minutes we will have the file to proceed to create the virtual machine. The name of the virtual machine will be Oracle Linux 9. It will be found in a certain directory. The file to install it is an ISO file. Let us keep going. The next step is to assign the size of random access memory and the number of processors that we want to assign from our computer. The hard drive we want to create is 60 gigabytes in size. Here we have different options to continue, and I am going to consider the third option, and then I will select the first one of them, which says Oracle Linux 9.3. But down here it says press tab and enter for a complete configuration. We already choose the language as English. The keyboard also has English. The date and time are assigned to Denver City. The root password must be assigned at this moment and retype it. Create at least one user. The user will be Gennaro. The full name Gennaro C. Paz. The password must be provided twice. He will have administration functions. From where are we going to install the software? Which software do we want to install? A graphical interface. A server. With minimal functionality. Or a workstation. An operating system to suit the user's needs. Virtualization tools. This is everything that we are going to choose from software. The host's name will be vboracle.at10t. This is the associated network configuration, which we can change later. And finally, we need to confirm. And once everything is configured and selected, we will start the installation. It will take some time, so we will take a break. Here the installation continues. And it will do so for a few more minutes. The installation has finally finished. And we must do a boot of the new operating system. The VirtualBox initializes the new operating system. The name of the user we register appears to log in. We need to type the user password and press enter, and the new operating system Oracle Linux 9.3 appears on the screen. The installation offers us a tour of the operating system. And we press the continue button to see what it has in its graphical mode. At the end of the tour, we press close, and the desktop appears to us. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a like. In this way, I can continue uploading more videos like this.